I'm going to show you how to add and subtract decimals in 3 easy steps. Step number 1, you need to line up your decimals. Step number 2, add or subtract just like normal. And step number 3, drop down your decimal at the end. Okay, so let's start this at the beginning. Say, for example, you have a problem like 1.3 plus 2.4. Okay, we'll go back to our steps. Step number 1, line up your decimals. Sometimes it's easier to draw your 2 decimals even without the numbers right up and down above each other. Then you fill in the information around it. 1.3, so the 1 on that side, the 3 on that side, and 2.4, 2 over here, and 4 over here. Then you add or subtract just like normal. That's step number 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we have our last step. Drop down your decimal. So where the decimal is here and the decimal is here, form a straight line to where your new decimal is going to go. And your answer is 3.7. Sometimes you have different looking decimals. For example, this one has 1 number to the right, but this one has 2. It's okay, you just follow those same exact steps. Step number 1, line up your decimals. This is a good example to show you why this is so important. 1.2, you fill in around it. And then the next one, 3.54. Now, you have an empty spot here with no number in it. If you have any empty spots, you can always fill them in with a 0. That can hold the spot. Because in reality, you have nothing in that spot, which is a 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 3 plus 1 is 4. In step number 3, drop down your decimals, and you get your answer, 4.74. A lot of times people won't line up their decimals. If I was to do that, I would end up with a totally wrong answer where I would maybe have 47.4 or even 474. That's why it's important to line up your decimals.